Okay, so hello friends. So this is Tech Guru. So this is the project. What you can see, this is a smart or it is a smart washroom system. So which is usually there. So that is the simulation for that washroom system. So in this system, you can see we are using one PIR sensor. So that is a proximity PIR sensor which is placed near the washroom, or you can place by the side of washroom, so that will detect the human movement. And we are using Arduino Uno for the simulation. And this is LCD display, so the display is basically placed outside the washroom, so it will show the vacant, whether the washroom is vacant or it's in cleaning mode. And this is SIM 900, so that is the SMS module. So once if there is any error in the system, or so the error may be, so there are three main motion what I am trying to represent with the help of these motors. So very first is the spraying of water, second one is cleaning with brush for the washroom toilets, and third one again will be the flushing. So these three motors are there, which represent the three different actions what are needed for the washroom cleaning system. And for generating an error, there is a one button. So whenever this button is pressed, so that means there is an error somewhere in the system. So in this that case, the error message will be displayed on the outside LCD display, as well as at the same time with SIM 900, the SMS can be sent out to the nearest corporation office, so that they came to know like which washroom is not working properly, and they come and do the necessary action. So this is the button for the PIR sensor. Now I am doing, so this whole setup is for a simulation project. So here we are about to start I'm about to start the simulation. So here you can see, okay, so I'm starting the simulation. So simulation has been started. So smart public washroom system. So you can see on the display, it's there. So initially the system will do the cleaning. Then okay, it's like very first time once the so washroom is cleaning. So brushing. Now it's brushing the washroom, and the third step might be okay, the flushing of toilet. So the same, okay, now because my system is ready to use, cleaning is done. So insert a coin means okay, person can go inside. So this is the button. Okay, now the person is in. So once the person occupies the washroom seat, so in that case, this message is high, and the output display will be the washroom is occupied. Please wait. So because it is being used by someone, so it is a, so it's saying please wait. Now I'm about to simulate the error condition. So if there is an error, so in case of error, so one SMS, so it's little fast. So one SMS is being sent to the system, and now it's done. So this is what the error simulation. So anytime error may occur, and system will resume if it has no error. So and now okay, now the person is leaving the washroom. So because that's a PIR sensor, it takes some time to okay, now it's done. So it's again cleaning, brushing, and then flushing. So once this is cycle is done, now my washroom is again clean. So this is a very good project for the engineering student, and it's being in use in Western country, mainly in Europe, in European country. So this is the simulation, simple simulation method. So okay, um, these are the codes. So all the files are with me. So anyway, you can contact me. I am giving below my mail ID. So you can contact on my mail if you need help in any kind of project simulation. Okay, so bye, God bless, bye.